Let's get you updates from Omicron situation in the country. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to hold a high-level meeting today to review the COVID situation in the country and in the wake of Omicron's spread. 213 people, remember, have been infected with Omicron's variant so far across the country, and Delhi so far has recorded the maximum with 57 cases, followed closely by Maharashtra, which is at 54. And out of 213 cases, 90 have been discharged. In a letter, remember, two states and UT Centre has asked local authorities to bring back restrictions, including night curfews on large gatherings, curtail attendees in marriages and funerals, and also restrict numbers in offices and public transport. So what is happening in those states which are worst hit by Omicron right now, that are Delhi and Maharashtra? Both of them have seen a surge in new COVID cases. Maharashtra registered 1,201 new COVID cases on Wednesday, including 480 cases in Mumbai alone. In fact, the state had last crossed the 1,000 figure mark on November 17, though it's important to point out that the fatality rate is still low. The national capital, meanwhile, has recorded 125 fresh COVID cases, the highest in the last 6 months. So these are the numbers that are coming in from Maharashtra and COVID as far as COVID situation is concerned. In fact, Maharashtra has crossed the 1,000 figure mark after 35 days, and Delhi too has recorded highest daily case rise in the last 6 months. In fact, if we talk about the specific numbers coming in from these states, 125 new COVID cases have been reported in a day in the national capital, while in Maharashtra, 1,201 new COVID cases have surfaced. And remember, if we talk about Maharashtra, it is important to point out that the fatality rate still continues to be low, which is of course a matter of relief. But Delhi and Maharashtra, both the states which are worst hit by Omicron, are seeing a surge in new COVID cases. In fact, I'm now being joined by Harsha, who will give us more updates as to what is happening in the national capital as far as COVID situation is concerned. Of course, Harsha, the numbers that are emerging at this point in time, highest daily case rise in the last 6 months, are concerning. However, we also know that several restrictions have been imposed across the national capital in the wake of New Year and Christmas.
Exactly. Now, when we there's a definite strike in cases in Delhi, as we see Maharashtra and Delhi, the two states where the Omicron cases are very high. If we compare from 2nd December to the day where we are starting to the 23rd December, the cases are twice and three times higher, which we have seen in the Delta. If we compare the last year December, so we can easily the government is calculating that transmissibility rate of Omicron variant is quite high. Do the severity is not being seen that much, but the symptoms are very mild. But the passengers who are arriving from at-risk countries are huge in numbers right now. There are 4 hospitals in Delhi which is dedicated for the passengers coming from at-risk countries, and the numbers are more than 100. And then you can speculate that if the numbers are 100, then the samples which are going from genome sequencing daily basis, the positive cases are more than 20 and 30. From Max Hospital and Gagaram Hospital, we have yesterday got 2 patients who were Omicron positive. And when we see the restrictions being imposed by Delhi government, so the marketplaces where the people were huge in numbers, we have seen videos from Sarojini Nagar and Lajpat Nagar, where people ahead of festive season are arriving huge in numbers, and they are shopping, seeing the discounts, heavy discounts, and they are following no COVID appropriate behavior. Neither they have masks, neither they are social distancing. So now 50% restrictions have been imposed in market areas, no exposure in the places which are highly exposed by crowds. Those places there will be 50% only crowd will be allowed there, and DMs and DCPs have been given the responsibility to see if the crowd will be heavy, then the strict actions will be taken against the DM and DCP whose jurisdiction that marketplaces comes under. And we can see the public gathering ahead of New Year and Christmas all have to follow these restrictions, 50%, not more than that. And if there is any wedding season, only 200 people will be allowed, not more than that, and that through in the closed space. So we can see that now the governments are imposing restrictions seeing the high number in cases. But it is being said by experts and scientists that in January we could expect third wave to come because the rate of transmissibility is quite high. In Delhi itself, the cases are more than 65 in numbers. So we can sense that ahead of Omicron variant, all these restrictions should be followed carefully, prudently by each and every citizen. Because if we would not cure it right now, the cases will rise too high in December. And even the experts are continuously saying that people have to be double vaccinated. So the ramping up of vaccination drive has to be seen in all the mohalla clinics, in all the hospital, district level, block level. The vaccination, the ramping up of vaccination is being done thoroughly, and DMs are making a quick surprise check in the mohalla clinics, in the places where vaccination is going on, that the people from slum area are coming for vaccination or not. And under this Har Ghar Har Dastak campaign, vaccination drive is being concerned. Under for the slum people, the people who come from the places like Daryaganj, Old Delhi, who have yet not got first dose of vaccination. So yes, restrictions have been imposed and people have to follow it thoroughly. If not, then strict action will be taken against them.
Right, Harsha, thank you so much for explaining the situation to our viewers, what exactly is happening in the national capital. But if we talk about Maharashtra, the situation continues to be grim. In fact, on Wednesday, the state reported 1,201 new coronavirus cases, and it is a sharp rise of 376 from a day ago, and 8 fresh fatalities have also been reported across the state. In fact, with these additions, the state's COVID-19 caseload has now increased to around 66 lakhs. If we talk about the situation right now in Maharashtra, it is said that the state did not report any fresh case of Omicron variant, the virus that causes COVID-19. In fact, let me go across to Shweta, who will help us with the details as to what is happening in Maharashtra. So, Shweta, very concerning situation in the state of Maharashtra, very, very sharp rise in COVID cases, of course. But as far as data is concerned, do we know for sure that Omicron has any role to play behind this particular surge that the state of Maharashtra is witnessing right now?
Well, absolutely. As far as Maharashtra is concerned, we do find out there's a sharp surge which is taking place in the state of Maharashtra and the city of Mumbai. When we are talking about Maharashtra, Maharashtra has reported 1,201 fresh cases of COVID-19. And also about Mumbai, Mumbai has reported 160 more cases than the previous day. That adds up the tally to 490 COVID-19 new cases. Now, remember, if we talk about whether Delta, I beg your pardon, whether Omicron has a role to play in this, well, yes, but as it is, there's nothing up by the officials. But yes, what we are finding out is the surge in COVID-19 cases. Well, talking about the Omicron cases, it has also taken its tally to up to 65 cases in the state of Maharashtra. But the surge is going on due to higher transmissibility, what Omicron cases are showing. Also, the people, those who are coming up with these COVID-19 positive cases, their samples are also being sent to genome sequencing to find out whether they are positive for Omicron or for the Delta variant, or which kind of variant it is. But for sure, on reports, what we are understanding at first phase is that yes, there is a sharp spike which is taking place in Maharashtra as well as Mumbai, although there are certain SOPs and guidelines put in place, and COVID appropriate behavior following this is a must across the state and the city, of course. But yes, the surge which we are talking about is taking place since last week, where we saw the cases were almost were down to great extent. It was a great decline in number of cases. The graph went down to great extent, but now as we see the graph is coming up, the cases are increasing, and as and when they are already speaking about Omicron cases, which is higher in transmissibility, these samples are also taken to genome sequencing lab to find out which COVID variant is making this surge take place.
Right, Shweta, thank you so much for sharing all those details.